Hey guys, welcome to the Todd family. Today we're at the river and Daddy's gonna ride on the boat with Mary. Look, there he goes. And he's turning around now. Mary's on there too. Mary. On there. They can see you. See Mary right there. Look at Mary. Look at those waves. Wow, those waves are coming pretty high. Look how high those waves are. Those waves are going up. Nope, there's Kissum way back there.
Where's where you want me to go?
And there's Kissum right there. And there's Kissum. And whenever he wets his feet, he kind of looks like a sheep.
There's Daddy.
Nope, there's Dad. There's my dad. There. Oh, now he's coming. There he goes. And there's Mary too. And where's Charlie at?
Charlie's inside.
Okay, and let me show you inside of Uncle Jordan's house. This is the outside of it. There's also a little porch and a little dock over there that you can ride. And he's inside, and there's Charlie again. Like my first video, I showed you Charlie.
You stay in here. I don't want to.
Here's some of Uncle Jordan's room. And that's all for Uncle Jordan's house. So,
That door's locked.
uh,
Hold on.
and now we're going to the other door. I don't know if there's a back door and the front door. It's just front doors. Because look, see, there's a door right there, door right there. So I don't know if there's a front door and a back door, or if there's a front door and a front door. Or back door and back door. So Daddy, how's it going on the boat so far? Daddy, how do you like the boat so far?
Love it.
Oh, Mary's about to jump, is he? Jump! I got to jump, Mary? Oh. No, don't run over here. Wow, you're coming in fast. Wow. And Charlie, he does not like water. And then Charlie doesn't make this video. He very much does not like water at all. He really does not like water. But then Mary, she loves water. No, don't make us get wet. Oh yeah, look at this way. Oh, he just made the camera kind of get a little wet. And here's the waves again. Oh, Daddy's way back there. Honey, let me show you a closer view of it. Whoa, no, Mary. Okay. Wow, look. You see that boat way back there coming towards us? That's what Daddy's riding on. And I think Charlie's gonna ride it. Where's Charlie at? Oh, there we are, Charlie underneath the truck. Oh, there went Mary, fast like a cheetah. Oh, she's already right there. Okay, Mary's probably gonna jump. Watch her jump. There she went. She jumped. Okay, now she's going to catch up to the boat, I think. Hopefully she does not get a by crocodile. Hopefully she does not find crocodile, though. Oh, Daddy's coming in. To get Mary. How do you like it, Charlie? Yeah, you don't haven't been here a lot of times, Charlie. He really hasn't. Let's see if there's any minnows, though. Let's see. Probably not, because Mary over there is jumping through the ramp instead of the dock like she normally does. Is there anyone else? I'm gonna be surprised if there is. It's not. I'm surprised that there's no minnows down all those waves. See? No minnows. See, there's no minnows. There. So, I was probably expecting no minnows right there. Because, I'm like, Daddy just dropped Mario the Luigi hat whenever he's talking back. No. Okay, let's go. Let's go and put it back in the truck. I'm going to put it back in the truck. I'm going to show you the truck. Okay. So, this is, oh no. This door doesn't stay open. Okay, so there is where the wheel is. There's a little thing, and you can put this in there and watch it. And there's also a cup holder right there and right there. Look, that's where some stuff is. Look, there's my booster seat right there. Here's some more stuff in there. And that's all in Daddy's car. And I'm gonna put this back in there, the Luigi hat. I also have another hat with Mario, but it's Cappy though. Oh, Mary's already back on the boat. Okay, there she goes. Where's Daddy? Yeah, look at those waves. There's actually some waves out here. Look how close the waves are. Is there any of the where do you think the minnows are now? Probably way back in the lake. Probably way back in the lake. Way back there. Kind of nearby there. Maybe not nearby there. They might be up here now. So I'm just waves. No? There's not. Okay. Are there any minnows on the other side? Let's see. I think she's getting. What side is this here? Is there any minnows on this side? I think. Let's see. I mean, you can't really see them. But it's late. Okay, let's get closer down. No waves there. Oh, they're in another boat. And there's Uncle Jordan's truck. Look, there's also a hammock. See the hammock? Let's go in the hammock. Okay, let's go in the hammock. And the phone's about to die, so I think I should almost end this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time on the Todd Family. Bye!